Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to change or reset your Roku PIN in 2025. Whether you're beefing up your account security or you've simply forgotten your PIN, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Roku devices are awesome for streaming, but managing your PIN is key to keeping things private and protected. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Roku device is turned on and connected to the internet. Grab your remote and head to the home screen. Now, navigate to the settings menu. It's usually the gear icon on the left side. Once you're in settings, scroll down and select System. This is where the magic happens. Next, look for Player Information, or directly PIN Settings. It might vary slightly depending on your Roku model and the 2025 updates, which include enhanced security features. If you see a Parental Controls or Privacy section, that's your spot too. You'll be prompted to enter your current PIN. If you know it, go ahead and type it in using the on-screen keyboard. To change your PIN, select the option that says Change PIN or something similar. You'll then be asked to enter a new 4-digit code. Make it something memorable but secure. Avoid obvious choices like 1234. Confirm the new PIN, and you're all set. It should save automatically, and you'll get a confirmation message. But what if you've forgotten your PIN entirely? Don't panic. In 2025, Roku has made this easier. Head over to the Roku website on your computer or phone, log into your account, and go to the My Account section. There, you'll find a Reset PIN option. You'll need to verify your identity, probably via email or phone, and then you can set a new PIN. Once done, sync it with your device for it to take effect. A quick tip: always use a strong PIN and change it regularly to protect your streaming content from unauthorized access. If you run into any issues, like the device not recognizing the change, try restarting your Roku or checking for software updates. There you have it, folks. You've now mastered changing or resetting your Roku PIN in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.